Today, we're featuring a 2016 Peterbilt 389 Tandem highway tractor with sleeper. This unit comes fully loaded
with power windows, locks, and mirrors, with a full load interior including
AM, FM, CD radio with GPS navigation
and leather seats.
Check out the full gauge package on this beauty.
With a sleeper cab with single bunk,
this 389 features a
Cummins X15 engine with
550 horsepower, 244-inch wheelbase, 18-speed manual transmission with a
3.91 gear ratio, Pete low air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating and Super 40s rear axle. Equipped solid with power group, quarter fenders, sliding fifth wheel, battery shutoffs, and chain hangers.
This Peterbilt has 544,000 miles on it,
and it's work ready for the highway.
For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.